Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming hardware support and permissions. This saves time. Once done, enable developer or accessibility toggles so the system accepts always-on signals. Then pick a pure black wallpaper and set widgets to 0. 5. Opacity to reduce burn-in risk. Install one reliable AOD app or an automation tool because stock menus can be limited. Make sure to grant wake locks and overlay permissions so the display can remain visible without the full OS UI running. Now you configure the app and automation rules that control when and how the AOD runs. First, force the display to the lowest refresh rate the panel supports. That reduces power draw. Next, create schedules and ambient sensor triggers so the screen only stays on when needed. Use motion or proximity rules to disable AOD when in a pocket and set a short, dedicated brightness cap. These steps balance visibility and battery life while minimizing screen wear, so you keep the feature practical. Finish by testing the setup for at least one full day to watch battery impact and heat. You want acceptable drain. If you see image retention or ghosting, lower the AOD brightness, add subtle periodic motion to pixels, or enable screen shifting. This prevents burn-in. If the AOD fails to start, revoke and regrant overlay and wake lock permissions, close conflicting apps, then reboot. Remember, small adjustments make a big difference. Iterate until you hit the right trade-off between uptime and device longevity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.